Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Inta Azira binti Azul and I am a semester 4 student at OUM pursuing a Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Today, I will be presenting my assignment for the subject OUM H2203 English for Workplace Communication. This presentation is part of my coursework to demonstrate effective communication skill in a professional setting. For this assignment, I will be presenting a structured report, a leadership training program designed for middle management staff in a multinational company. Let's begin. Good morning, esteemed board members. My name is Intan, and I am the Director of Business and Development at Floggy. Today, I am here to present the impact and success of our recent leadership training program. This program was designed to strengthen our middle management's leadership capabilities and address key workplace challenges. Through this training, we aim to equip our managers with the right skills to lead more effectively, improve team coordination, and drive innovation within our company. Let's begin by looking at the challenges our middle management faces. Okay, leadership challenges. As you all know, middle management plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth business operations. However, they face multiple challenges that can impact their performance. Here are the three main challenges identified. First, managing change and innovation. Many managers struggle to adapt to new processes, technology, or company strategies which can slow down progress. Two, team coordination and morale. Balancing different personalities, work styles, and expectations can be difficult, leading to miscommunication and lower team morale. Three, decision making under pressure. Managers often have to make quick decisions while balancing company objectives and employee well being. Recognizing these challenges, we developed a structured training program to address them. Okay. Okay, next. Training program overview. Our training program was carefully structured to maximize learning and effectiveness. Here's an overview of the key details. The duration is 3 days from 10 until 12 of March 2025. The venue is at Floggy Leadership Academy. The participants is middle management team and the focus areas are change management, team leadership, effective decision making. Each day, we focus on a different aspect of leadership, ensuring our managers receive a well-rounded learning experience. Training methods and activities. To ensure practical learning, we incorporated interactive and engaging activities. Some of the key training methods include workshops, leadership strategies exercise. Managers participated in leadership strategy exercises to analyze real business scenarios. Okay, next, role playing, simulated workplace scenarios. Simulated workplace challenges allow managers to practice conflict resolution and communication skills. Team building strengthens collaboration and morale. Fun and engaging exercises were conducted to strengthen collaboration and morale. And the last one is case studies, real world problem solving. Real world problem solving sessions help managers develop a structured approach to tackling issues. Okay, these activities were designed to create a dynamic and hands-on learning experience, ensuring that our managers could apply their skills in real life situations. resources, and budget allocation. To execute this program effectively, we carefully manage our budget and resources. Okay, the training materials 25% it costs 5,000 for printed guide, printed guides, digital tools, and workbooks. Okay, for the external trainers, 60% cost 12,000. For industry expert with leadership experience and venue and refreshments, 15% cost 3,000 for logistic and meal for participants. So total cost will be 20,000. Okay. Despite the investment, we ensured that every ringgit spent contribute to long-term leadership development and improve company performance. Impact and success metrics. So, how did this journey impact our managers? Let's look at some key success metrics. Okay, before and after training. 85% of managers reported feeling more confident in their leadership roles. Before training, only 50%. Only 50%. Okay? Only 50% felt confidence. So, the next one, 78% improvement in workplace communication among teams. Previously, communication breakdowns were a common issue. Okay. 20% increase in employee satisfaction based on post-training surveys. Employees reported that their managers were more supportive and approachable. This improvement directly translates into a more efficient and harmonious work environment, benefit, benefiting the company as a whole. Conclusion and next step. In conclusion, the leadership training program was a success. It effectively addressed key leadership challenges, improved managerial confidence, and strengthened team dynamics. Moving forward, I highly recommend that we expand this program to more employees, including senior executive and junior team leaders. This will ensure that strong leadership becomes part of Flowgis culture. With that, I would like to thank you all for your time and considerations. I look forward to your feedback and future discussions on how we can further enhance our leadership development programs. Thank you.